Question 38 is about in alpha decay, the kinetic energy of the alpha particle is smaller than the potential energy. So how can it come out from the potential barrier? It means that the alpha particle is here, the nucleus is here, there is a high potential barrier, and this energy is larger than the kinetic energy of the alpha particle. So classically, this one, the alpha particle cannot leave this potential barrier, but by the tunneling effect, okay, we can treat this alpha as a wave function. At this part over there will be a decay, but it can a little bit leakage from the potential barrier, so it still have a chance for the alpha particle to leave the higher nuclear potential barrier, and we call it the quantum tunneling effect. So the answer is B. Thank you.